Okay, you're a home sold nation. How's it going? How you like my backdrop back there? It's that you can see my little setup right here. That's my computer, and I got my little stand-up desk right here. See that? My little stand-up desk. There's some lights, camera, action. But that's not why I'm sending you the video. The video is to promote Monday's meeting. So on Monday, I want to talk to you about your open house, your untraditional open house, and your tour of homes. So we've got a really good tour of homes manual that you haven't seen yet. We've put it together. It's really good and it's really thick. So I'm going to pull that out and send it to you guys ahead of Monday's Built to Sell Zoom meeting. But I'm adamant that, man, if you guys could pull off a really good tour every weekend, even if it's just one house that's a FSBO or an expired or one of your cherry picked listings, or somebody else's, if you could just do one, you could generate, 15, 20, 25, 30 really good prospects, and sell, one or two homes from that, in addition to the one home that you've got. I know you can, but the economy today and the customer's behavior today is different, right? So does that have an impact on your system here, your marketing system, this tour of homes campaign? Like, think it through. If customer behavior is different, does your system for running these tours, these open houses, whatever you guys are doing, does that need to be different? And the answer is yes, it does. Of course, customer behavior's changed. So I'm going to show you something you've never seen before on these tour of homes that'll make you really motivated to go and make these happen on an every weekend basis. Now remember, you don't have to be the one standing there at the house, because you can generate all the leads without you ever being there. Only one person can buy the house, but man, what you want is the other prospects, the buyers with a house to sell. All right, so you ready? That's Monday at 4 o'clock Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific. So let's get busy on that. Now on, Wednesday and Thursday, I think we've got about 30 of you guys coming into town for the Built to Sell boot camp. That's really good. It's going to be different now. We're going to do a few things different based on what's happening right now with your businesses, the feedback I've gotten on things you need additional help with. So that's what we're going to be doing those 2 days. So I'm looking forward to that as well. We'll go out the first night. There's a little Mexican place across the street there. So we'll go there, and I'll buy a couple rounds of margaritas and, get you guys good and loopy, and it'll make the next day even more fun. All right. Hey, great job. Appreciate you guys pushing and working hard. Show up to these Monday meetings now. These are really good masterminds we got going. And the systems that we're looking at, last Monday we did the guaranteed cash offer system, and we looked at all the marketing for it. So, all right, I'll see you guys Monday at 4 o'clock Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific. We're going to deep dive into the tour of homes, untraditional open house for the new economy. All right, see you then. Go serve big things.